Hey guys, thanks so much for waiting out for me to share with you this beautifully decorated, this very tall, slim, and amazingly decorated 7.5 foot queen flock by King of Christmas. And guys, I will have you wait no longer. Well, maybe just a few more seconds. Stick around if you want to see what I have done to this beautifully decorated tree behind me. I want to say welcome to the channel. Hope you will enjoy the visit. Go ahead, grab your coffee or tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax as I share with you this beauty that rests behind me. Okay guys, first of all, I have to show you how we decorated it. So come on, decorate this tree with me. You already have your coffee, you already have your tea, you already have a snack. So I won't be long. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and we are back with another video. And in this video, we are going to throw some ornaments on this tree. Now I have reached a little dilemma here. I want to use this musical ribbon. I found it, I'm not sure where. Maybe it was at Dwayne's last year. And I didn't use it last year, but I want to use it this year. So I want to double this ribbon with this kind of sheer black ribbon, and I also this ribbon here. This is some pre-loved ribbon here that I've used before. So I'm thinking maybe I could do this and work with it to get that look that I'm looking for. Now my ornaments and my picks are all here in these tubs. Can't see me. Bring you down. So my picks and ornaments are here. Now I may use these, or I may have to go back up in the attic and find some other ones. So this is what we have so far, but we'll see. I'm just going to start decorating, and whatever happens, happens. And I'm going to bring you guys along as much as I can to not have such a long video, but I will share with you what I'm going to do. So go ahead, get your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink. Sit back and relax. Enjoy this video, and then we will enjoy the outcome together. So here I've started adding that musical sheet music ribbon to the tree, and I'm just trying to feel my way through. Hopefully I will get that look that I am looking for with this inspirational musical ribbon, and hopefully the rest of the design to the tree will flow. So all I'm doing now is just adding the loops of the ribbon to the tree. I'm going to speed this section up just a little bit because it's a little redundant, but I will come in and out and let you guys know what it is that I'm doing. So here I have layered the ribbon. I have the musical on the top and the sheer black on the bottom. And I just squeezed it together a few inches from the top of the ribbon and then just insert it into the tree. and taking some of the little branches of the tree and wrap around to create the loop.
사람들뿐 시간을 타고 흘러왔지만 그대를 놓치고 또는 놓아버린다.
So what I do in adding my loops, I try to do the same thing on each of the sides. So here I am at the back creating those loops on the back side. And then once we get this done, we will start with the ornaments.
귀찮기만 하던 젊음도 별이 되어 빛나고 있구나.
Okay guys, I'm at my testing phase right now. I've added in my ribbon, I've added an ornament or two, and I've added in a few picks. Still not sure which direction I want to go, but please keep watching.
시간을 타고 흘러왔지만 그대를 놓치고 또는 놓아버린다.
Okay guys, she is starting to look really good to me. This is going to be a beautiful tree. She is definitely singing. She's in low alto right now, but by the time that we are done, she will be in soprano. So for all the altos, don't worry, we're going to get you up to soprano. I am having a ball with this tree, guys. Okay guys, the work has been done. She's definitely singing a song. She's so beautiful. She's absolutely gorgeous. This 7.5-foot slim queen flock by King of Christmas is singing to me, and I hope she's singing to you. The ribbon here that I'm holding in my hand is from Amazon. My inspiration for this tree comes from the musical ribbon and this gorgeous fuchsia poinsettia. The poinsettias are from Dwayne's. The picks are some that I've had for quite some time. The musical lyric ribbon, I don't remember where I purchased it from. I think maybe from Dwayne's or from the pottery. Those little pink flowers that you will see through and through, these are some that I used in my fall garland that I had created for my mantle. I just went through, dismantled it, and added them into this tree here for that lovely pop of color. Brought in these white ornaments of different sizes and textures. Absolutely a beautiful and beautifully decorated tree. Guys, I hope you will find joy in this. I hope this will inspire you to get your Christmas decorations going. I hope that you just like what you see. Now, this little ornament here is one that I purchased from the Dollar Tree about 4 years ago. And this still lights up. I bought a total of 12 and they still light up. I don't know if they use batteries or not. I just know they still light up. Now look at this little flower type. I'm using it as a pick here, and I just went through, inserted it into my tree. You will see several of those up at the top, several of those musical lyrics pieces throughout the tree. I just wanted this tree to sing, to bring joy, some peace, some love, some happiness, as this is my season of decorating and I am in awe. Love the tree from King of Christmas. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is the flock tree, and again, 7.5 foot slim. I will leave it in my description box below. Please don't forget to go over and check it out. The link that I will leave will take you to the King of Christmas. Continue to watch and enjoy the music, as I am so pleased to introduce to you my 2024 tree that will definitely sing to your soul. My gorgeous topper that you see here is made of some of the ribbon that I purchased from Dwayne's, as well as those Harlequin poinsettias and the floral picks that you see at the top. Absolutely a beautiful match together.
혹은 25.
All right, guys, you've had the opportunity to see what I have done with this beautiful masterpiece here. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed the visit. I hope you've enjoyed what I've shared with you on how I have decorated this tree with my inspiration from the musical lyric ribbon and this gorgeous poinsettia here. Total my inspiration. So guys, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you're new, just hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap that notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. All about the home decor here. It's all about loving the home, decorating it, and getting the best bang for the buck with the things that I love to buy. So hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice that says all, that way you don't miss out on any videos. Give me a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Check that link in my description box. It's going to take you to King of Christmas, and this beauty here, it is the lit version. Now the one I did last year was pre-lit. And guys, remember, it comes with remote control. You point down at the petal and you have your lit version of the tree. I'm gonna cut the lights out so you can get a really good view of what it looks like. Now this is her. She's lit, she's gorgeous, and I love it. Move around over here, and I'm going to play with the remote control that shows you the different versions. And this is just me with the remote control placed down at the pedal, and I'm just going through making the changes. I want to take this time to thank King of Christmas for entrusting me to share their gorgeous trees with you guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and share if you like, purchase if you like, and subscribe to the channel. The link to this tree will be in my description box below. Please go over and check out King of Christmas. This is the 7.5-foot slim queen flock. Don't forget, she's absolutely gorgeous. You've had the opportunity to see the pure beauty with her being lit. I'm gonna slow this back down. So some people don't like all the flickering. So I'm gonna slow it down. And I'm gonna turn the light back on.
나는 지금 22 혹은 25 내 옆엔 전혀 모르는 사람들뿐 시간을 타고 흘러왔지만 그대를 놓치고